Anong kulang? Anong kulang yan?
Wala akong pakialam dyan.
Ikaw ba
Nakikiusap ako po.
What is up mga kachap? Another good day, and for today's reaction video, papanoorin naman natin ang isang parang kamote rider na may puting lobo sa kanyang motor na pilit pinapag-go ang isang motorista kahit naka-red yung traffic light. Tapos nung hindi pinagbigyan, galit na galit, gustong manakit. Liga, panoorin natin, samahan niyo ako. Let's go!
Come on, let's get started here on Iron Poets.
Okay mga kachaw, ito yung video. Ito yung kompletong video, panoorin natin.
About the exit, because why he left LA and why he chose Philadelphia are a huge core part of the story. And I promise you it's going to make the answer stronger by the end of this video.
If you're doing something that's so easy, man, you might want to reconsider what you're doing. Like I know, like I can't. Would I make the same decision? No. The Lakers. I've been a Laker fan since back. I know the Laker history all the way from Minneapolis all the way to where it is today. Right? I'm not even going anywhere. Like this is home to me. As a leader, you gotta be able to take the good with the bad.
Before we get into anything that sounds like criticism, let me take a moment to actually
Sir, violation yan.
Kasi meron convoy. Kanina ka pa boss eh.
Sir!
Alam
Anong
ko,
kulang
kaya
yan?
nga hinahabol
Anong
ko yung
kulang?
sasakyan oh.
Anong kulang yan?
Wala akong pakialam dyan.
Ikaw ba
Nakikiusap
magbabayad?
ako boss oh.
Ikaw magbabayad pagka na-violation ako?
Boss, nakikiusap nga di ba?
Violation yan eh!
don't get me wrong, that's a promise.
Ikaw ba magbabayad?
Nakikiusap nga di ba?
Sir, ibang pakiusap, di ba ang
Sige,
ginagawa mo?
Sige, ano mo, bigay ko, kunin mo yung ano ko.
But if you take a look at the trajectory of all these players, they make it
Bobo ka ba?
like couldn't get it done.
Bobo ka ba? Putang ina ba?
Sir,
Nakikiusap di ba?
Ayos!
Babait! Nakikiusap ako. Tingnan mo.
Larry O'Brien trophy and a fourth finals MVP, dragging that franchise to its 17th championship. He didn't just join the Lakers, he resurrected them. And the numbers are stupid. Across 8 seasons in LA, LeBron James averaged 25.9 points, 7.9 assists, and 7.7 rebounds. And he finishes his Lakers run top 10 in franchise history.
Puta.
Points, assists, field goals, and three-pointers. Think about who's on the Lakers leaderboards, guys. Magic Johnson, Jabbar, Kobe Bryant, Jerry West, and LeBron walked in at
So ayun mga kachaw, nakita nyo no. Una, may mga sumunod dito sa nakamotor na may puting lobo at nag-go kahit naka-red yung stoplight. Muntik-muntikan pa nga mga bangga yung isa ng motor kasi nag-go na yung mga kabilang side ng kalsada, yung mga naka-green. Ngayon, nung hindi pinagbigyan or nung hindi sinunod nitong naka-dashcam si Manong Rider, nagsisisigaw at galit na galit.
Bobo ka ba? Putang ina ba?
Sir,
Nakikiusap di ba?
Ayos!
Babait!
Bali may punto naman tong si Manong driver ng naka-dashcam kasi pagka may NCAP doon at sinunod niya to, hindi naman to authorized police, makakasuhan to at magkakaroon ng traffic violation. Madalas nga kahit police yung nagpapago, hindi na dapat mag-go kasi NCAP, mababiolation ka pa, mahahassle ka pa. Ngayon usually itong may mga puting lobong ito, malamang namatayan to. Kaya mainit ang ulo. Pero unfortunately, kahit ganoon, wala tayong karapatan unless meron talagang official na haggard or police na mag-guide sa trapiko. Kaya dapat panatiliing malamig ang ulo kung hindi kayo masusunod ng ibang mga motorista sa daan. Anyway mga katsaw, ano masasabi nyo? Comment down below kung meron kayong gustong sabihin at kung ano sa palagay nyo. Tama ba si Manong na may lobo or mali ba yung naka-dashcam? Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video natin for today. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. Bigyan mo na rin ako ng thumbs up para makita mo pa yung iba't iba nating reaction video. Maraming salamat sa panonood mga kachaw. Stay safe lagi. Ciao.
Iron Pot! Yeah! Tara na't mag-enjoy. Angat sa ating new hype, a vibrant new joy.